So guys, it's me Anthony, and this YouTube short is basically just talking about the new recent video I just uploaded with my friends, and where we try out Japanese snacks, which is super awesome because this is one of the few times that we go into the whole like trying out different cultures like food and type of stuff. So yeah, so if that's in your interest, please be sure to check it out, and yeah, and if you enjoy it, please leave a like or whatever, and yeah, I guess I'll see you guys on the next one. And yeah, you know, the next video is Halloween themed, so please be sure to check that out. And I think that's about it. So yeah, bye.